Hey there, this is Raju. Welcome back to my channel Photomelon. In this video, I'm going to teach you colorization effect on neural filters from Adobe Photoshop 2022. Let's see how it will be work on black and white images. If you like my channel, please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's see on this image. Going to neutral filters from the filter menu. In this panel you can find colorize button. If you enable this button, you can see the changes before and after. It's very looking fine. See this background and foreground details on this image, the colorization and the skin tones, the color of the dress and the greenery, the path, everything is fine. You can change the effects or the amount of colorize, saturation, cyan, magenta, yellow. There are too many options are here. You can reduce the color and artifact of color reduction, and you can see this profile here. You can change the presets of picture. Going to this panel, see this, it's very looking fine. You can test another image. Okay, couple of people are here. Let's see how it will be work on this group picture. Wow, these recognition of the faces are very impressive. Artificial intelligence really works on this image. Great improvement from the Adobe Photoshop 2022. Let's see. Everyone looking fine. The colorization and the skin tones, some details are missing, but 60 to 80% works well. If you work manually, you can spend a lot time, but in a single click it will be okay. I'm going to this image, how it will be work. The flowers on the table, of her skin tones, foreground, background. Let's see the changes. Wow, it's impressive. Look at this table, the color and the grading the colors, the skin tone effect and the foreground, background, the flowers, everything fine. Let's check another image. On this image you can see, okay, colorize. Wow, this is really amazing. This now let's see another image. Okay, in this image here are some few details on here. You can see the foreground fencing, wood fencing are here, and there are two people, and background trees are there. Okay, let's see the changes. Wooden fencing here, it's looking color very colorization effect very impressive, and the background trees are the skin tones and the dress color, everything fine. Very impressive development from Photoshop. Okay, let's see the background details on this image. The car, there is a car and the people sitting on the chairs, the floor. Yeah, let's see how the artificial intelligence works. What a development from the Photoshop. See the car details, everything fine, and the building, the trees, their skin tones, their dresses, The floor, the chair effects are very commercially looking. Now let's see without people. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This video will save your time to spending our lot time to black and white and colorization process. We know we are spending more time to working on these images, but in this video you can find the single click adjustments on black and white to color transformation color, very effective, from the developers of Photoshop 2022. We are thankful to them. I hope you guys this video will help you to serve better black and white to color photos. If you like this video, please do share, like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.